So section C consists of 60 marks, alright? So there's 6 questions, answer all the questions. So for the first one, you have m negative 5 times m8. So times means plus on the power. So negative 5 plus 8, you will get m power of 3. So this is the final answer. So let's look at the second one. So second one is 3 to the power of 2 plus n equal to 81. So first you need to know what's 81 based off. So 81 is actually based off 3 power of 4. So in this case, the power you can compare 2 plus n equal to 4 and will then equal to 2 because you bring this 2 to here, it will become negative. So n equal to 2. Next, B. It says that 3x plus 4y minus x minus y. So in this case, let's expand the equation over here. So minus times x will give you negative x. Minus times minus y will give you positive y. So all the x add up together. 3x minus x, you will get 2x. 4y plus y will give you 5y. So this is your final answer. So for B2, you need to factorize 25p squared minus 36. So in this case, you need to determine what factorization is this. So this is type 2 factorization. Type 2 factorization means that if you can see that 25p squared is actually formed from a square and 36 also formed from a square. So it means that these two variables, these two terms, can be a perfect square. So 25p squared is actually 5p. You square it, you get 25p squared. And 36 is actually 6 squared, you get 36. So in this case, the factorization will be 5p plus 6 and 5p minus 6. So this is type 2 factorization. So if you can see that this is a form of type 2 factorization, you can make this equation into this form. The answer will be a 1 plus 1 minus over here. Question C shows that there's a two vertical pole PQ and RS on the horizontal round 6 meter here. Given that tan theta is 3 over 2, so tan theta is actually this one, PQS. Okay, PQS. Alright, this is the theta. So tan theta means that tan is actually opposite over adjacent. So tan opposite will be 3, adjacent will be 2. So in another word, the height of pole PQ is 5 times the height of RS. So let's say the height of PQ is X. The height of PQ is 5 times the height of pole RS. So let's say RS is X. The PQ here will be 5X. Alright. So in this case, it is also say that you are required to find the pole RS. So how shall I find pole RS? As we can see from this part, we know that QS is 6 meter here. So if this is a 6 meter, it means that it times 2. So pole PQ over here, it will be times 2, will get you 4 meter. Okay, since we know 5x is equal to 4 meter, so x will be 4 meter divided 5 will give you 0.8 meter. So 0.8 meter will be x, so will be also equal to RS pole length over here. So calculate the alpha. We call this as alpha. So alpha, how do you get alpha? Alpha is basically P to R. Okay, P to R over here. So if I have a length like PQ over here and cut this into half, okay, this is the alpha. Alright, so how to get alpha? We know that this length to this length will be 6 meter. So let's cut this into half. This is 6 meter. So we know that this is 5x, this is x. So from P to this part, it will be 4x. So from here to here, it will be 4x. 4x is equal to 4 times 0.8 will give you 3.2 meter. So this will give you 3.2 meter. So you have opposite, you also have adjacent. So to find the alpha, you have opposite, you also have adjacent. So how to find the alpha? It will be shift tan, which means tan negative 1, 6 over 3.2. And the final answer of alpha will be 61 degree 56 minutes. All right, so this is the second answer.